Welcome back to the second half of Reverend Holley's show, Hello Detroit. I am so excited about our guest for this first half of our show this morning. She is a strong proponent of family preservation, child safety, and education equity. She has an unwavering commitment to helping to build and strengthen community through the plethora of services that her agency provides. Also, despite the challenging economic issues that we're facing, the climate and the impact that it is having on nonprofit organization, through her leadership, this organization continues to thrive and play a paramount role in the lives of children, their family, and community. It is an honor to have with us as our guest today, Ms. Alice Thompson. She is the Chief Executive Officer of Black Family Development Incorporated. Welcome, Ms. Thompson.
Welcome and thank you. My pleasure to be here.
It is an honor to have you, and we know that your presence is going to bless the city, all of the viewers, is even going to bless the station where we are.
Thank you.
Welcome. I have a few questions for you this morning. And for our viewing audience who may not know that much about Black Family Development Incorporated, could you please tell us about your services, about the history and the purpose and your mission, please?
Sure, thank you. Well, back in 1977, a group of social workers here in Detroit, part of the National Association of Black Social Workers, recognized that there were not sufficient agencies in this city to care for the unique needs of African American families. And so we were given birth through Articles of Incorporation in 1978. Little known history that Black social workers in this city established Black Family Development. We were established in 1978. And the purpose of these services was to, again, to provide for the needs of African American families that we thought were not being met by the traditional agency.
Surely.
And so we have grown and thrived since then. And in our history, we began first with services around abuse and neglect.
Okay.
And primarily in our homes, because of poverty, there were lots of issues of neglect. So our kids were being removed from their homes and placed in out-of-home care because there was not food, shelter, clothing. Okay. And we thought that was a better way. And the better way was, why not remove the risk and not the child? And so we began to advocate for that. We began to advocate in Lansing for family preservation services back when Teola Hunter was in Lansing. And so Michigan adopted a platform for preserving families from our advocacy effort with them. And so over the years, we have grown to be a very comprehensive agency, focusing on child welfare services, juvenile justice services, early childhood homeless prevention, mental health services. And now we have a very strong interest in education. Because over the years, while we work with our families, the issue was poverty. And we have long known that the way out of poverty is through a quality education.